Good morning, Naija. This na Pidgin Vibes news and this na your Pidgin Vibes daily weather report. Today na February 14th, 6th and 10 morning, but it be like someone shows pepper small. Across Nigeria, weather go dey hazy and very warm. Temperature fit reach 36 degrees Celsius for many areas. For North, Borno, Kano, Kaduna, Sokoto, heat go strong well. Dry air and dust haze go full ground. FCT Abuja, expect hot afternoon, about 36 degrees. Morning cool small, but by noon, sun go flex muscle. Lagos, Ogun, Oyo, Osun, everywhere go hot. Humidity go dey, but no rain wahala. Enugu, Anambra, Imo, Abia, clear sky with serious sunshine. Make you carry water waka. Port Harcourt, Warri, Calabar, morning go calm, but afternoon go hot and bright. Highest temperature today fit reach 36 degrees to 38 for some states. No be small heat oh. Air quality for some areas no too friendly. Haze fit make breathing hard. Asthma people make them careful. Rain, zero chance today for most states. Na sunshine and dry breeze full everywhere. If you dey plan Valentine waka, avoid afternoon sun. Evening go cool small. Drink plenty water, no dull for dehydration matter. Farmers for North and Middle Belt, Ekuna prepare for dry soil conditions. Overall forecast for all 36 states plus FCT, hot, hazy, sunny Valentine's Saturday. Now so we see this morning. I be your weather guy for Pidgin Vibes News. Stay cool, stay safe, and make love no melt under this Naija sun.